In this video, I'm going to show you how to learn about your role as a space manager. So, in space, you can click and select the name of the composition and select the manage members. So, when you create a space in a Google Chat, you automatically become the space manager. As a space manager, you can remove and add participant. You can promote other members to be space managers or remove them from the list of the space managers. And you can delete a space, you can delete messages and edit the space name, avatar, and description. So that's it. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.